Good morning, students. I hope all of you are doing well at home. All of you have learned different types of adjective definitions and all. And as we have done types of adjective, today we are starting new chapter of English grammar, comparison of adjective. So, what is adjective? We know the word which is describing noun or pronoun. We use different forms of adjective to compare person or thing. When we make these comparisons, we change the form of adjective. So these adjectives have three forms and are called degrees of comparison. Means when we are comparing two person or three person or mm, telling more about a noun. So at that time when we are comparing, we are changing the form of adjectives. For an example, Ajay is fat. In this sentence, fat word is describing about the noun Ajay. Means how is Ajay? Ajay is fat. Simply telling you, describing you about Ajay. So this degree is known as positive degree. So an adjective in the positive degree refers to some quality in a person or thing. It is used when there is no comparison. In this sentence, there is no comparison. Only this word fat is describing about Ajay, telling you about Ajay. So, see the next sentence. Sanjay is fatter than Ajay. This word fatter is the change form of fat, and this word is telling you about the comparison between Sanjay and Ajay. So, in this sentence, fatter is a comparative degree, higher degree of quality than fat. Thus, an adjective in the comparative degree refers to a higher degree of quality to the positive. It is this word fatter is showing comparison between Sanjay and Ajay. It is the higher degree of quality which is showing comparison. It is always used when we are comparing two things, two person. It is necessary to change the form of the adjective. It should be in higher degree of quality. See the third sentence. Suresh is the fattest of three. So fattest is the another change form of fat, and this is the this degree or this word is telling you Suresh is the fat. Suresh has the highest degree of quality. So fattest we are using when we are using highest degree of quality, when the word is telling you about the highest degree of quality. Thus an adjective in the superlative degree refers to the highest degree of quality, is used when we compare more than two persons or things. And the most important thing, see, when we are using comparative degree, we are using than. Then we are using when we are comparing two person or two thing, when we are using comparative degree of adjective. And when we are using superlative degree of adjective, when we are using highest degree of quality, we are using article the before the word, the superlative degree of adjective. Formation of comparative and superlative degree. For some adjectives, comparative and superlative degrees are formed by adding er or est. See, some words are written here like tall. When we have to make comparative degree, we are using er and the word is taller. And when we have to use superlative degree, we are using est and the word is tallest. Likewise, rich, richer, richest, kind, kinder, kindest, sweet, sweeter, sweetest, clever, cleverer, cleverest, rough, rougher, roughest, tough, tougher, toughest, strong, stronger, strongest, quiet, quieter, quietest, young, younger, youngest, old, older, oldest, keen, keener, keenest. When the positive ends in single consonant preceded by a short vowel in one syllable word, the ending consonant is doubled before adding er and est. See what the sentence is saying. The positive ends in a single consonant. See this word, it is ending by a single consonant, and when we are making comparative, okay, comparative degree we are making, and as we have to add er, but what happened, this last consonant word is doubled. The ending consonant is doubled before adding er or es, when whether we are making comparative or superlative. The last consonant word is doubling before adding er or est. Redder, sadder, saddest, bigger, biggest, hotter, hottest, father, sorry, fatter, fattest. In these words, when we are using er or est, this last consonant word alphabet is doubling. When the positive ends in e, only r is added. See, when the positive ends in e, positive degree word is ending with e, then no need to add er or est. Instead of er or est, we are using r and st. When the positive word having e at the end, no need to add er. We are adding only r and st. Next, these are some words which is the same, which I told you. Instead of er, we have to add only r and only st, because they are having e at the end of positive degree. If the positive ends with y preceded by consonant, then y is changed into ier. See, earlier we are using er, means the comparative degree, converting positive into comparative. We are using er, and in superlative we are adding est. But what happens when we are having y at the end of positive degree? If y is there in any word of positive degree, when we are converting into comparative, this y is converting into changing into I, and we have to use remove y and we have to add ier. Same thing we have to do in superlative. Instead of y, we have to remove y, and instead of est, we have to add iest. Happy, happier, happiest. Dry, drier, driest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Likewise, these words are also written. Last one, sorry, fifth one. Some comparative and superlative are formed by adding more and most. We are not adding er and est. Instead of er and est, we have to add more and most. See, these are some positive degrees, positive words like beautiful, famous, useful, foolish. So when we are making comparative degree of this positive word, we have to add more beautiful, more famous, more useful, more foolish. Likewise, if we have to make superlative, we have to add most beautiful. This is the higher quality, this is the highest quality superlative degree. Most beautiful, most famous, most useful, most foolish. These are some another words which you have to learn. There are some adjectives that do not follow any definite pattern. Means some words are still there which are not following any pattern. These words are known as irregular adjectives. Like much. When we have to make comparative degree from much, it becomes more. And when we have to make superlative, it becomes most. Far, farther, farthest. Little, less, least. Bad, worse, worst. Good, better, best. See, the pattern is not definite in these words. Changes are uh, we have to make changes, but like much we have to make more, most in superlative. So we are doing changes, but these changes are not same, not definite. Any pattern is not there. So that's why these adjectives are known as irregular adjectives. Again, the same. In case when ending y is preceded by a vowel er and est are added to the positive to the form compare. See, we have done y is there, then we have to add ier and remove y. But some exceptions are there, like gay and gray. When we have to make comparative or superlative degree, we don't have to remove y in these two words. Instead of removing y, we have to add er in both words, er and est. Gayer, gayest, grayer, grayest. So this is all about compares degrees of adjective. And now we'll do exercise. My bat is cheaper than yours. Comparative degree. Today's rain was heavier than yesterday. Today and yesterday comparison is there. Mahima is the cleverest of the three sisters. So this is the superlative degree because three sisters are there, and comparison we are doing between two things or two person. My father has the best pony in the town. Best in the town is superlative itself. Granny makes the delicious pickle, most delicious. Birbal was wittiest man in Akbar's court. Among all the essays, Sabina was worst. The superlative degree of bad is worst because all the all the essays. Mannat's watch is the most expensive. Comparison always we are doing in two things, two persons. When we are saying together all the things, so we have to use superlative degree. Kamla is the luckiest girl. These are sweetest lychees I have ever eaten. See class, this exercise you have to do by yourself. You have to learn the degrees and after that you have to solve this exercise. And the last one also. This is your revision work. You have to learn. After that you have to solve. Thank you.